Oh my God.
This is Christina.
Did you see it?
This is
No,
Cassie.
he was telling me about it.
That's fun, y'all know her.
Is it cute?
Hold on, I gotta get closer.
Shit, it's recording. Just Alex. John, I freaking hate this game. Why? Lauren, you are tall. Get it, Lauren, punch. Jump! I can't, it's going too high. Go, 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 go! Okay, go, finish it. You ready? Go. I see plumber's crack. Oh, you hit it. No. Get it, Lauren. Oh my God.
Damn, look at that ass.
My foot over time. You won. Texting Dustin.
Go, Christina.
You gotta get to go the other way. I can't even reach it. Wait, I gotta get what way?
No, you can't touch the string, dummy.
I didn't touch the string. That's the ball.
Oh, I'm gonna put that in slow motion just to see if you lied. Bunch of midget-looking girls.
These are my two chomper friends.
Chopper. And then there's Brooke.
That's our fence hobby. Okay,
Ready? We'll try to flip it.
Ready? Wait, hang on. Don't flip. Hold on. Okay, go. Here, hold on to the fence. Let's try to do like a front. I'm so freaking scared. Do it, Lauren.
Oh my God.
I'm trying to land on my feet. I don't want to get injured. Just do it, just flip. It didn't hurt that bad. Not that bad. Yeah, not that bad. Do it. You can end the. If you can go front handspring, you can land on your feet. Go. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh. I did it. That was perfect. I get it. Epic fail. She's gonna knock you out. How are you gonna get back over? Push her over. Oh, how am I gonna get back over? Don't! Wait! I don't have a way back over! Stop! I can't get back over here if you push me. Push her over, please, Lauren. Come on. We've been friends since yeah! Alright, get over with me. Don't touch me again. Alright, you ready?
Pull her pants out.
Get over here. Come on. Okay, don't miss it. Hurry, push her over. As you can tell, I don't have an ass like whatsoever, so. I do. You ready? Oh wait, don't send that to anybody. I don't know. I'm gonna blackmail you right there. I'm pretty sure I got a video of you on your phone. You picking your wedgies out, like. Yeah, BD. Huh? BD. Huh?
Let's give me on my face.
See my front handspring?
Yeah.
She can do it. She does it all the time. You chuck it.
Hold on, wait. I have to get
Happy pants?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know where it was.
Are you ready? Set. Ta-da!
Took out.